Hey guys, Lance with DataTraders.com here. This quick video I wanted to go over the different widths for safeguard trade and what the buying power we'll use on Tasty Trade. So give you a good idea of possibilities besides like a quote-unquote standard one that we look at. So we're going to be looking at just ES for now. Alright, so for ES, typically we'll look for around 120 days, and we'll stay there for now. A standard 112 safeguard trade I'll do is typically around 0.05 delta on the naked puts, and of course it's not showing up right now because why would it? Let's see. Here we go. So standard one is around 0.25 delta on the bought, and then go 50 width on the sold, and we'll typically sell to nakeds at around 0.05 delta or so. Change that to 2. Now on your phone, a quick way to see the buying power. You can't actually place the trade this way, but you can see the buying power used. Swipe up, and you see the BP is 504 something, so about $5,000 in buying power to take in, about $1,163 or so. That's $23.25 times 50, and good overall return. Probability of profit 99%. Now what we're going to do is switch the widths of these. Instead of a 50 width, let's go to 100 width on the debit spread. Obviously your net credit will be lower because you have to pay more for your debit. And the buying power is actually less. It's only 4,500 or so. So under BP in the middle here. So uses up less buying power, so that's one of the pluses to it. Bigger trap profit because you have 100 width. That can make 50 times 100 or $5,000. But the negative is you get less initial credit. You can go even further, say about 200 width here. You get 5.5 credit, you get about $275 or so. Only uses $3,500 in buying power with a 200 width that can make 200 times 50 or $10,000 if it gets below that 5,000 strike price. Another thing that I was looking into are different lower deltas, and typically I want to look somewhere around the expected move or so. It's around the 50-50, 5,000, looking at 0.16 delta, right near the 1 standard deviation. Keeping those two naked puts at 45.50, we're looking at 5,000 BP, so very similar to the last one, but it takes in a little bit more premium because the debit spread is a little bit lower. You can even go even further in. So you go around 49, 48.50. Notice how the BP is staying about the same because it's still a 50 width. However, the total credit that you're taking in is higher because you are paying less on those debits. So what I would recommend is to fiddle around the different widths, and then you could see different buying powers and different credits that might be worth it for you for your risk tolerance, what initial premiums you want to get, what possible trap profits you could get, and so on. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. You can join at datatraders.com to get one-on-one help from me and join over 300 like-minded individuals. Have a good rest of the evening.